Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare the Audi RS6 versus the Porsche Taycan. Let's dive into their core performance differences. The Audi RS6 boasts a robust twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering exhilarating power and a classic combustion engine feel. In contrast, the Porsche Taycan offers the immediate, silent surge of electric torque, providing a unique and thrilling acceleration experience. Both cars are engineered for high performance, ensuring a dynamic and engaging drive for enthusiasts. Next, let's consider design and practicality for daily use. The Audi RS6 maintains its iconic wagon silhouette, offering generous cargo capacity and a versatile interior perfect for families or active lifestyles. The Porsche Taycan, on the other hand, showcases a futuristic four-door sedan aesthetic, emphasizing aerodynamic efficiency and a contemporary look. Inside, both vehicles provide luxurious appointments, cutting-edge infotainment systems, and comfortable seating for occupants. Moving on to the driving experience and integrated technology. The Audi RS6 delivers a raw, auditory thrill with its powerful engine note and responsive handling, appealing to those who love traditional performance. The Porsche Taycan offers a remarkably smooth and quiet ride, characteristic of electric vehicles, combined with precise steering and impressive agility. Both models are equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features and intuitive infotainment interfaces, enhancing safety and convenience. Finally, let's discuss the value proposition and ownership aspects of these two incredible machines. The initial purchase price and long-term running costs can differ substantially, with the electric Taycan potentially offering savings on fuel and some maintenance over time. Consider your priorities: the visceral thrill of a V8 versus the cutting-edge efficiency of an EV. For more great deals, and to check out those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.